In Book 3, Chapters 1 to 2 of Dune by Frank Herbert, the narrative dives deeper into the power dynamics and betrayals amongst the key players in the universe of Dune, particularly focusing on the intricate relationships within House Harkonnen. Chapter 1 opens with an epigraph from Princess Irulan, highlighting Count Fenring's loyalty to the Emperor by covering up the Emperor's involvement in the Harkonnen attack on House Atreides and by refusing a direct command to kill, showcasing his unique moral compass despite his deep allegiance. The core of the chapter deals with an assassination attempt on Baron Vladimir Harkonnen, orchestrated by his own nephew, Fade Rotha. The attempt, which involves a slave boy attempting to use a poisoned needle on the Baron, fails as the Baron, forewarned by Thufir Hawat, manages to kill the boy first. Despite the betrayal, the Baron decides against killing Fade, recognizing his potential as a future leader of House Harkonnen. Instead, the Baron executes 3 of Fade's loyal servants as a lesson and then forges a pact with Fade. Fade must stop his assassination attempts in exchange for the promise of succession and a potential path to overthrow the Emperor with Fade as the new ruler. The Baron, keeping a close eye on Fade, charges Hawat with this responsibility, underscoring his belief in controlling dangerous elements to his advantage. As punishment and a demonstration of loyalty, the Baron forces Fade to execute all the women in the pleasure wing, a gruesome act that Fade accepts as he bides his time, planning for a future without the Baron. Chapter 2 transitions to Thufir Hawat, now serving the Harkonnens, as he meets with the Baron to discuss strategic insights. Through Hawat's perspective, the narrative presents a striking contrast between the virtues of Duke Leto Atreides and the malevolence of Baron Harkonnen, with Hawat internally vowing to avenge his former master by destroying the Baron. Hawat posits that the Emperor's elite Sardaukar troops are recruited from the harsh conditions of Salusa Secundus, a theory that parallels the situation on Arrakis with the Fremen, hinting at a potential underestimation of the Fremen's combat capabilities. He speculates that the Emperor feared the alliance between the Fremen and the Atreides, leading to the attack on House Atreides. The Baron, skeptical at first, eventually heeds Hawat's strategic advice to utilize the brutal rule of Beast Rabban to suppress Arrakis, creating a scenario where Fade can emerge as a liberator and consolidate power under the Harkonnens. As the chapter closes, Hawat ponders the identity of the emerging religious figure Muad'Dib on Arrakis, dismissing the possibility of it being Paul Atreides, under the assumption that Paul is dead. These chapters delve into the underlying schemes and alliances that drive the conflict in Dune, highlighting the themes of power, loyalty, and the intricacies of political maneuvering. The delicate balance of fear, control, and the pursuit of power is exemplified in the interactions between the Baron and Fade, as well as in Hawat's strategic considerations and his personal vendetta against the Baron. The narrative intricately weaves these elements together, setting the stage for the unfolding drama on Arrakis and the broader political landscape. This has been another Bookly Crash Course. Thanks for watching the video. Please leave a like and a comment to help out the Bookly Crash Course channel.